ProNox is an inhaled nitrous oxide and oxygen mixture. It's a 50-50 mixture, and we use it to alleviate discomfort, to alleviate anxiety regarding procedures. It's very helpful for young kids or for adults who just don't really like having procedures done. Most of the procedures that we have aren't painful, which is great, but there are some procedures we know that just are uncomfortable. So in those cases, we would recommend that we have this as an option for somebody. They control how much they get by how often they take a breath from the inhalation tube. They can take more breaths if they're feeling a little more discomfort or anxiety, and then when they're feeling relaxed, then they kind of take a break and stop taking it in. Whereas traditionally we would give somebody a prescription, they would fill it, come in, have a driver, take the opioid, and they wouldn't be able to drive home themselves. With this, they can come in by themselves. You can turn on the nitrous oxide and the oxygen mixture. They get pain relief during their procedure, and then you turn it off, and within a couple of minutes they're back to normal and they're safe to drive back home again. ProNox would be good for those patients who are young and just really not willing to cooperate with a procedure. Getting a 6-year-old child to lay on the table still while you do a biopsy on them is asking a lot from them. So that's a good case where we would recommend it, and most parents are more than happy to make this a good experience for their child. It could be used for those of my age who just don't like having procedures. We can use it from biopsies to a full face laser, that kind of stuff. Whereas at the dentist, they control the amount of nitrous oxide that you get, and they could, potentially in some cases be at risk of giving you too much. Whereas here, because it's mixed with oxygen, there's really none of that risk or concern. Some people get some nausea or upset stomach with it sometimes. Some people just don't like that feeling of floating and kind of feeling weightless. But those are really the most significant and really the few side effects that we have experienced.